how to draw the pentagon using the AutoCAD. First, use the command polygon, then enter. Or you can select this option, the logo you can check. If you click there, first option it will be rectangle, second will be polygon. You can select from here, or you can type the commands polygon. So by default it's already 5. So if it's asking you to enter the number of sides, you have to enter 5. For a pentagon, the number of sides are 5. First you have to enter 5. Then second option, polygon, specify the center of polygon or edges. So you have to select the edges by taking your cursor to this edge, then enter. Now first point, so somewhere on the screen where you want, you have to specify that first point. Then second point, where you have to enter the sides, how much the sides of the pentagon you want. For example, I want to take as 1000 millimeter. Now I have entered the 1000, then enter. So now you can check that the pentagon is constructed. Now if you want, you can check the all the sides. So it is 1000 millimeter. Again for the another sides, let me check from here to okay. So in this way you can construct the polygons of different polygons. Also you can construct, like now you can go for hexagon, there will be 6 sides, and you can enter the second point as a sides of the hexagon. Okay, then automatically it will be constructed. Thank you.